In this hot weather, I prefer some cold drinks. In Bengali tradition, panna is a super delicious and healthy drink. Nowadays, weather temperature is too high, so I make this panna at home. It helps in dealing with constipation issue, reduce depression, and prevents dehydration. Overall, this drink is beneficial for our skin and gut health, and also keep us cool in the summer heat. All the ingredients are provided in the screen and as well as in the description box, and I make more videos on this channel. You can check it out. In this weather, panna is so soothing and refreshing. You can make it at home, and if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. Bye bye, take care. और मेरे दूसरे वीडियो को भी एक बार वॉच करके जाना यार.